Hello, my gelato enthusiasts. How are you? So I've been away for a little bit. I moved to Mexico, and the place where I live, it's really hot. It's in the Yucatan area in the city of Mérida. This is a great place to live. I'm really happy that I did this change. And today we're going to do a very, very special flavor for me. And this is called Punch Paradise, because I live in paradise. So let's start with our recipe. I'm going to give you the ingredients. Please tell me your comments if you're happy to see me again, and if you enjoy this flavor, okay? So as you know, we will need our gelato machine. We will need this for the lemons, a cutting board, this to mix all the ingredients, of course, this to weight all the ingredients, and of course the ingredients. So we'll start now. We will need 560 grams of fresh strawberries, water, 100 grams of water, 110 grams of lemon juice, okay, fresh lemon juice, fresh squeezed. We're going to need white wine, okay? And this is going to be 110 grams. And we will need, of course, the sugar that will give the sweetness. And we will need 220 grams of sugar. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now we can start with our ingredients and let's make this incredible gelato. I mean, sorbet. It's a sorbet. So we're going to pour all our great fresh strawberries into this container. And then we put the lemon, the wine has to be white, but you can try also doing it with red wine. I've never done it, but you can try whatever you wish, you know. And then this is already set up. It's our syrup that we made, putting the water and the sugar together, warm it up so the sugar dissolves in the water, and then put it in the freezer so it's cold. We're going to pour this. Okay. And mixing all together like this. Okay, I prefer using an immersive blender, but you can use whatever you want to mix all together. Now our mixture is ready, and we're going to pour it in our gelato machine, okay? Please, if you like my video, thumbs up. Okay, let's go. We don't want to miss anything here, okay? So let's turn it on. So before I turn this on, I just want to tell you that I just bought this gelato machine, and it's the first time I'm going to use it. I think it's good because the one that I had in the United States was very heavy, and the gelato, the consistency, I didn't like it a lot because it was like very icy. It became, the gelato came out very hard, like ice. But let's see how this one works. This one is Cuisinart. The one I had in the States was good, but I told you, that was a KitchenAid. So this is the first time we're going to use this new machine, and let's see how it comes, okay? See you in a... Okay guys, so this is ready. I'm going to take it out and see how this new machine is working, because it's the first time I use it. And I think it's great. It's fluffy, no icy, and we will now give a try to this incredible Sorbeto. Okay, let's put it inside our container. Oh my God, this is great. The consistency is fantastic. Like if I had made it in a professional gelato machine. Wow, look how good this is. Look, it's really great. I really recommend you this machine. I bought it online. It's a KitchenAid. No, sorry, it's a Cuisinart. The one I had before, it was a KitchenAid. But that one was like very big, very heavy, and more difficult to use. This one is really easy. You just have to put the container inside the fridge for one night, and next day it's ready to make your gelato or sorbeto. Please tell me what recipes would you like us to make next time, because I'm really interested in your thoughts and your wishes, okay? So this is ready. Look, it's incredible. It's fluffy, it's creamy. It doesn't even seem that it's sorbeto. It seems like a creamy gelato. And that's the consistency you need to have, okay? So I really recommend this machine. It's really great. Okay, so now we're going to try it, but first we're going to make some cuts here in this to garnish our cup of gelato so it looks nice. And you just go like this. See? Wait, let's do some little cuts here. There you go. And it looks like this. Okay. So let's try. Look how good this is. Look how shiny. It's incredible, really good. You put your strawberry here, see? And it's really nice. I'm going to try it now to see how it tastes. It's so fresh and so delicious. The lime and the white wine together are a great combination for this flavor. So, if you like my channel and you like this flavor, please try it out. Let me know if you want to do some other recipes or the flavors. And if you like it, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't lose any more of my videos to make the best gelato in the world. Bye-bye, friends.